Morning guys, how you doing? So, he's only gone and got his own cookbook, isn't he? So, for all of you out there like me who are a little bit lazy when it comes to food, this is not an arty-farty kind of cookbook. This is very much eat good food, get it done quick. There's some tips and tricks in here. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put the link below if you want to get a hard copy, but to be honest, why does anyone want to get a hard copy? You're much better off going and getting the digital copy. There's a better discount on it and you get updates for life. So I'm currently working on a new revision for it, which is going to put a load of different stuff to do with calorie calculations and all of that lot. There's a load of recipes in here though for lunches, dinners, my kind of favourite. If you follow me socially, you're going to know that you're going to get your tuna pasta in there, which is just like my go-to fave. So yeah, if you want to get some really cool, quick and easy recipes that you can follow, customise yourself, then check out the book in the links below. And yeah, have a good day and catch you later on in the next video.